Hello everyone! This time I'm experiencing Mount Etna. We are at 6,000 feet above the sea level, and these are supposed to be the Silvestri craters. It's very foggy today.
Is no more able to exit and become lava flow. So it remains in the chimney, it hardens, forming a fork, a plug of basalt that closes the chimney forever.
Sorry, Isabella. I would like my friend say hello to Janka. I would like them to greet me because it could be the last time they see me. Say hello, say hello. Ciao, ciao. Ciao, thank you. And try to experience something special. Bye bye. Be careful. I'm reaching the center of the extinct crater. This is not crazy. This is absolutely safe. I'm getting to the center of the extinct crater. I want to tell you that once a crater is extinct, so once its activity is over, it's impossible that it starts over again. That's why we used to visit the Silvestri craters. That's a cluster, that's a group of extinct crater located in the south side of Mount Etna. Okay, I'm now in the center of the crater. I'm sorry because today visibility is not the best, but maybe is more, how do you say, fascinating, is more charming. Mount Etna is always included in all our group tours of Sicily, the Sicily Lovers Tour, and it's highly recommended in all your custom private tours of Sicily. We plan the Sicily Lovers Tour 3 times per year, while the custom private tour is available all year round. If you come to Mount Etna, you can miss the opportunity to enjoy the special wine from Mount Etna. You know, thanks to the volcanic soil, grapes that grow in this area are special. They produce one of the most refined and special wine in the world. Oh, sun came out. I can see that's the top of the upper Silvestri crater. And now I join the group again. We will experience the easy stroll around the Silvestri crater. So, thanks for watching. I hope you can experience Mount Etna in person very soon. Write down in the comment if you had this opportunity in the past. Mount Etna is a must if you visit Sicily. I'm very proud and passionate about Mount Etna. Sorry again, say hello. Ciao! Ciao Isabella! Ciao beautiful people!
You need to do a lot of editing.
Yes! Thanks for watching and see you the next time. Love, hugs and kisses from Sicily. Mwah!